have to admit, the older that I get, the harder time I have regulating my temperature. So I decided to take matters into my own hands and get a neck fan from AJGJF. I wasn't sure at first if it would really make a difference, but it absolutely has. This thing can really pick up and go. This neck fan has 5 different speeds, so I can adjust it to whatever kind of cooling that I want. And even if I'm outside and it's windy, like when I was out watering my plants, I still needed some cooling. So I just used the cooling plate on the back because I was getting enough wind. And that area on your neck is perfect for cooling you down fast. Plus there's 3 different modes here too. I like that the fan and the cooling plate operate separately. Of course, if I'm running them both on max, it's gonna last me about 3 hours, which is way more than I need. This works great with my hair up or down. I don't have to worry about it getting tangled because it has a bladeless design. This fan is my lifesaver in the summertime, and that's my point of view.